here in ABEOKUTA. I'm on my way to see the Obasanjo presidential. What is it called? Obasanjo, right? Presidential Library. Olusegun Obasanjo Presidential Library. But before we go, I stopped over here to eat. See, anytime I go out, I usually pick yam over rice. I don't know why. Maybe because I eat rice, a lot. So.
We are finally here at OOPL. At the entrance, we were stopped by the security who searched our vehicle, after which he asked us to go. And from the entrance gates, this is what you see. This is what the place looks like. They have an entrance gate and an exit gate. Just in case you do not know, this place is called the Olusegun Obasanjo Presidential Library, and it is owned by Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, a former president of Nigeria. This place is a historic, tourist and academic center, and it is located in ABEOKUTA, Ogun State, Nigeria. If you ever find yourself in Nigeria, or if you are living in Nigeria, this place is a must visit because there is almost nothing that you will not find here. The Presidential Library complex comprises 32 hectares. In here, they have hotels, they have resorts, and to my left, you will see the event center. They have an event center, you guys. They have auditorium, they have several restaurants and bars. They also have a park where you could just bring your kids, just to play and have a nice time, maybe on Sunday or whatever day that you want to relax. They have a wildlife park, they have amusement park, you could take a boat cruise, like a lot of things that you can just do here. Okay, that is why we are here in today's video, to take you around this place and have as much fun as we can have here at OOPL. So right now we're just looking for where we can park our vehicle before we can take a proper tour of this place. So here I need to add that where you park your vehicle depends on where you are going to. So in our own case, we just want to go to the bamboo bar, and then we want to take a boat ride and then visit the wildlife. That is why they directed us to this particular area to park. Okay, bamboo bar. Okay, well, we just want to go here first. They have a boat cruise. Is there a boat there? Yes. Ah, are we going there? Wow. It's like we'll go there soon. So you guys, we are here at the Presidential Library and we just want to visit the bamboo bar. People have a tour guide. I asked if they have a tour guide and he said yes, I could get one if I wanted, but I would have to go over to the other side and then pay, and then when I am done paying, they will just have to take me around with a boogie. But then on a second thought, we decided to proceed with our walk. How much is it?
No problem.
Alright, so you guys, oh my God, they have a bar and the relaxation area set in a naturally occurring bamboo patch. It is a very serene environment and perfect for hangouts with family members. The bamboo trees gives a unique shade experience. At the bamboo bar, they sell cold drinks, suya, meat, and even food or whatever it is that you might want to buy. Just as the name implies, it is literally surrounded by bamboos.
You guys, we are actually here at Olusegun Obasanjo. This is not the Presidential Library, right? Olusegun Obasanjo. Oh my God! So yeah, and we this is the bamboo bar, right? This is the bamboo bar. You guys, this place is so beautiful. Like, if you love nature, you should probably come here. Like the breeze, the fresh air, and we're just taking a look around here, to see what it looks like. And oh my God, there's water here. What's happening here? The pipe one, what is it now for? It's like water. It's like water is passing through it. Guys, take a look at this. Oh my God. You guys, this place is so beautiful. Like, if you love nature, you love the feel of nature, so you just want a place to relax with your family, with your friends. The air here is so natural, so fresh. Let me just put it that way. We just came here, just to take a look around before heading over to the wildlife, to the zoo, to, I think they also said something about a boat ride or something like that. So we'll still try, you know, and try that as well, okay, to see what if it is going to work out, okay. Maybe hopefully it's going to work out because today is Sunday. So let's just show you guys around a little bit.
At first, I didn't understand what was going on here, but later on when we got to the boat cruise, everything made, you know, more sense. We'll wait until we get there and you understand better.
Hey guys, there are fishes here actually. Like I just saw two right now. Can't find them again. Hi Adela. You saw them, right? So right now it's time to go to the where we have, what is it called again? Wildlife, and then the boat cruise and all. So you guys, we are on our way to the boat cruise area or whatever it is called. So let's just see what they have there, okay?
So you guys, we're finally here at the waterside and we want to take our boat ride right now. So here they have the manual boat ride, which you'll have to paddle yourself, and then they have the automatic boat ride, which is a lot more modern than the manual boat ride. So if you want to take the manual boat ride, you'll have to pay 700 naira for the ride, and then you get a life jacket, compulsory life jacket with 1000 naira. Then for the automatic boat ride, you will have to pay 1000 naira and then get a life jacket, you know, with 1000 naira. That makes it 2000 naira. But we decided to go for the automatic boat ride because your girl is scared of water, which is a story for another day. Then I also need to add that the fees changes over time, and if you're here with your child, I think they pay lesser, okay? So the fees for adults, both the life jacket and the boat ride, is higher, much more higher than, you know, that of a child, okay? So after we paid, they gave us a ticket and a life jacket, okay? Well, that is your girl getting ready to go take her ride.
So you guys, we're about to take our boat ride, okay? It's moving on. Will you be able to go back? Or you're going with us?
That's the forward. This reverse.
Okay.
You understand?
Why is it not going back?
It's moving back now.
Okay. It's on reverse, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Whoa, sleepy.
Now so.
Thank you. Oh my god, you guys. So you guys, I'm actually taking a boat ride, and this is the first time, the very first time that I'll be taking a boat ride in my entire life. Like, you guys, can you just imagine that? When I say I'm a village girl, who know that I'm a village girl? One of the small things. So you guys, yeah, we also have a lot of other people riding, you know, different kinds of boat. You can see people behind us, and then I'm just here with my husband alone on a beautiful Sunday.
One love, my people, one love.
So we're actually taking I think it depends. If they have manual boats, they also have electric boats. If you want to take electric boats, you can.
Chief pilot.
What does it look like their own is faster? Or okay, it's because of that water wave. Okay, so if they have manual boats, they have electric boats. So if you want to take manual boats, you can also take manual boats. But because I don't know how to swim, I'm still trying to learn how to swim. I was so scared. I don't want to take a manual boat, so we opted for this electric boat because I feel like it is safer. Why are you laughing at me?
What if I leave you now and jump into this water?
You leave me and jump into the water. I know you cannot do that. So we actually opted for this one. So
maybe to that place.
Okay. Running, get beside that. Which one are you?
Look at the thing. Oh, we're going to do the
turn now. So why are you turning like this? You're scared or something? Oh my god! Oh my gosh! So like I was saying, we decided to take those electric boats because I feel like it is a lot more safer. And so whenever you visit ABEOKUTA, just try and come here. Oh my gosh, you're going to like it. Like, you are going to really enjoy it, you guys. Oh, they're even playing music in their own. Well done. Oh, bye. Come on, my video. Did you see a fish? But I was telling you that time that I saw a fish and it just came out. Like, you guys, there are fishes in this water. Like, you guys can't believe that. There are fishes here as well. You that fish come out again. There are fishes here. Okay. No, that one I don't think it's a fish. The black thing over there. No, I don't think it's a fish, but there are fishes here. Oh my god, I was not able to capture it. I just saw one fish right now. Like, you guys. I don't know they reach extreme like that. Is it fear? Be waiting, they make on another they reach extreme. Another fear.
Yeah, so now you say?
Your cannot plate number there.
Not private, not military car.
Voila. See, they are cruising as well. Overtaking is allowed, though. May wanna carry on.
So usually a lot of people come to this particular place with their family, with their friends and all. As you can see from the video, we're not the only ones taking a boat ride on that particular day. As a matter of fact, there is a possibility that they might pair you with others, okay? Depending on the kind of boat available when you arrive. But because I was here with my husband and they gave us a boat that can only take 2 people, that was why it was just the 2 of us.
I think the fish is not enough for like a way of making it more interesting or something.
More real.
I think they are done with their trips. Like, you have like you are entitled to 2 trips.
So the 1,000 naira that you paid covers 2 trips. That means that you take the boat from one end to the other end and then back again before you take it back. Okay, I don't know how to explain this, but when you get there you will understand what I mean. From what I noticed when I came here, I don't know whether this water is natural. Just help me out in the comment section if you think I am wrong. But from my own observations, I think the pipe that we saw at that bamboo bar was kind of connected to this place, or rather channeled to this place. I think it supplies water to this particular place. I don't know if I am wrong. If you feel I'm wrong, just let me know in the comment section and then I'll kindly take my corrections, okay? But that is what I noticed when I came here, okay?
I know they got fast fish or something.
Oh, and came on a big one.
The cuckoo got stuck, like you guys. My husband is not a good captain, whatever it is called. Like, you guys, we just got stuck right now somewhere. So, but finally we're able to go. So, you guys, I think that's all for our trip. We just got 2 trips and that is all for us right now, okay? So yeah, on our way, I'm back. Thank you. All right, thank you.
You don't need to hold it. I'm not.
Alright, so you guys, we are done taking the boat ride and all. So we are on our way to the zoo, and then I saw this place. I think it is just somewhere that you can just come on a Sunday or in the evenings and then relax with your friends and your family or something. It was kind of cute though.
Alright, so you guys, we are done with the boat ride. Like, it was such babe. So we are done with this boat ride. It was such a fun and a wonderful boat ride. Like, you guys, I enjoyed it. Like, so yeah, we are just heading over to the wildlife, Olusegun Obasanjo Presidential Library Wildlife Park. Okay, that is where we're headed right now. Like, you guys, I'm really enjoying my trip to ABEOKUTA. You guys, I actually had to come back to ABEOKUTA to what is it called, Ogun State, just to film this videos for you guys. So please give it a thumbs up, share this video, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to the channel already if you are yet to do that. Okay, see you when we get to the wildlife. Okay, I don't know if this is going to be one video. Maybe I should just split it or something. Which one is Afro? No.